What's up, YouTube? Hi, Avery. I love you. I'm so happy you came. Avery! Okay, this is, oh, actually this doesn't look that bad. I look bad though. I knew that I was gonna regret going to bed at midnight when I had to wake up at 5:30. And now I just look really tired. Good morning, guys. Haven't seen you in a while. I think I'm going to make a story time about it, but I went on a trip to California this summer and it was a really fun trip. And I would have loved to show you, but the wonderful people at the Enterprise company in Los Angeles decided that it'd be okay if they stole my other camera when I accidentally left it in one of their cars. I don't know, maybe I'll make story time, maybe I won't, but basically I got my camera stolen from me at a place where they should have. Their job is literally to find items in the cars and like send them back. But anyways, it is 6:20 right now, AM, not PM. Me and one of my best friends from my hometown are going to go visit one of my friends that I met in college. Her name's Abby. She's one of the sweetest people I've ever met. My dad let me take his car, which he has like a Jeep Wrangler, which if you don't know, they're like nice cars. And I cannot believe that he is trusting me with his, so hopefully I don't ruin that opportunity. And it's just gonna be a fun time on this channel, okay? So if you're watching this and you're new, you should subscribe. And if you end up liking the video, you know, if you do, then you should also like the video because that would be awesome. I think I have said everything that I really wanted to say. So let's go get Trez. Wait. What the frick?
Hey.
Long time no see.
6:40 a.m. and we're about to have a good time.
I'm pretty sure, oh, the last trip that we went on together was California. And you were in that same, I think, oh no you weren't, no you were in
I probably was in the
I think
same.
you're grumpy. Yeah, the grumpy sweatshirt.
That would have been embarrassing. That would have been literally embarrassing if I was in the same outfit. Okay, bye.
Starbucks haul.
Wait, it's blurry again. There we go. No, we're good. Okay, we're good. Tap it.
I got a tall iced vanilla latte with soy milk. Trez, what did you get?
I got a quad grande iced Americano with a splash of vanilla sweet cream. So good.
And she also got a cheese Danish, which I thought wasn't gonna taste good because it's like cheese and bread. But
also, if you think about it, cheese and bread can't go wrong with that.
Can't go wrong, but it's like warm and it's like melty and it's really good, so I recommend that.
Oh, I look so bad, Avery.
No, you don't. Abby, I'm making a whole video of this like trip. You're gonna be in the video the whole time.
Oh my god. This is Abby. This is the girl that we came to meet. Yeah.
Hi.
I need to show you guys her.
Welcome to my casa.
Dude, I have to show you her lake house. It's literally the cutest thing ever. Like, I would want to live there.
I like it.
Just bought a sweatshirt. Literally the exact same thing. Okay, I'll go first. Could I get the 3 cheese grilled cheese?
Yeah.
And then for the side, could I do the peach and arugula salad?
I got you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do the chicken tenders. Could I get ranch and barbecue?
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you want to move to this blue table here. Okay, thank
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey.
Meet me in here.
I'm on YouTube now.
Yeah. YouTube. Avery's a YouTuber. Are you like famous? You're not gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm famous.
She's making a
And you guys can be on it. Introduce yourself. What's your Instagram?
I'm
Shout you
Raina.
out.
My Instagram is Raina Helene. R-A-I-N-A.
Hello, my name is Maddie Tischler.
They're sleeping right now.
Bye. See you later.
You're swimming.
This is the most fun I've had since the whole summer.
Thank you.
Bye. I'm wheezing.
My cup is over there.
What's up, YouTube? Okay. What can I do to fix this? Trust.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey.
Bye, Dark County.
Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top.